Are you trying to decide between Lemon Squeezy and Paddle? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for selling digital products. Both tools help creators sell their goods online. They handle payments and manage subscriptions, but they have different features and pricing plans. Let's start with Lemon Squeezy. This platform is user friendly. It's designed for creators who want to sell digital products easily. You can set up your store quickly. They offer features like customizable checkout pages and sales analytics. Lemon Squeezy is great for those who want simplicity and efficiency. Now, let's look at Paddle. Paddle is more focused on software businesses. It offers advanced tools for managing subscriptions and handling taxes. If you need more complex features, Paddle might be the way to go. They also provide detailed reporting, which is useful for bigger teams. When it comes to differences, Lemon Squeezy is simpler and easier to use. It's perfect for individual creators or small businesses. Paddle, on the other hand, is better for software companies needing more robust features. In terms of features, Lemon Squeezy shines with its ease of use and quick setup. Paddle stands out with its subscription management and tax handling. Pricing varies as well. Lemon Squeezy has a straightforward fee structure, while Paddle's pricing can depend on your sales volume and needs. So, which one should you choose? If you are an individual creator or a small business, Lemon Squeezy is likely your best bet. But if you run a software company or need advanced features, Paddle is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.